What up, what up, what up? Y'all already know what it is. It's Miss Try New Things. And I went to KFC, you hear me? To try out these nuggets they got going on. You feel me? We got the Starry in the building. We got the fries, biscuit. It's a meal. Okay. Let's see what it's hitting for though. First of all, let's try these biscuits. I ain't got no honey. Okay. A little something. Okay. We got the buffalo ranch dipping sauce with it. Let's see what these little nuggets talking about. Look at that. Okay. Okay. KFC always been good though. You know I love me a good dipping sauce. These ain't bad though. They good. Juicy. A little flavor. Taste that little pepper in it. Okay, KFC. You never disappoint. This is good.